Wall-mounted garage vacuums sound simple until you actually use one. Some are loud, weak, or a pain to reach. I bought and mounted 5 popular options in my own garage, used them on cars, floors, and messes, and figured out what's worth it. This saves you money, wall space, and frustration. Product number 1: VacMaster VWM Wall Mount Wet Dry Vacuum. When I mounted the VacMaster on the wall, it immediately felt solid and well built. The tank locks in securely, and I liked that I could pop it off quickly if I needed portability. During use, the suction was strong enough for sawdust, car mats, and wet spills without screaming loud. The remote on the handle was my favorite part because I didn't have to walk back to the unit every time. The long hose and cord let me clean the entire garage without moving the mount. Attachments stayed organized on the wall, which actually mattered day to day. I also noticed it stayed quieter than most shop vacs I've owned, especially in an enclosed space. If you're serious about garage cleanup and want power with convenience, this one fits perfectly. After using this setup, I started paying attention to how other wall-mounted options handled storage, noise, and everyday organization differently. Product number 2: IMILLET Wall Mount Broom Holder Organizer. When I installed the IMILLET wall mount, it felt heavier than most organizers I've tried, which was reassuring. The stainless steel didn't flex, and once screwed into studs, it felt rock solid. In daily use, sliding tools in and out was smooth and didn't pinch my hands. I hung brooms, a mop, and even a small shop vac hose, and nothing slipped. The hooks handled heavier tools better than plastic ones I've broken before. I liked having everything visible and off the floor, which made cleaning faster. This isn't a vacuum, but it pairs perfectly with one by keeping accessories organized. If your garage feels cluttered and you're tired of things falling over, this fixes that fast. It's especially good for tight spaces where floor storage isn't an option. After organizing my wall like this, I moved back to a vacuum that's more car-focused and detailing heavy interiors regularly there. Product number 3: BISSELL Garage Pro Wall-Mounted Vacuum. When I mounted the BISSELL Garage Pro, it felt purpose-built for car cleaning. The unit itself is compact, and the semi-clear tank made it easy to see when it needed emptying. Using it on interiors, the suction pulled dirt from carpets and seats without effort. The long hose was the real win, letting me circle the car without dragging the unit around. I also tested the blower mode, and it worked great for clearing leaves and tight crevices. The attachments felt useful, not filler, especially for vents and upholstery. Noise levels were reasonable, and it didn't feel underpowered. This one shines if you clean cars often or want something lighter duty than a full shop vac. It's practical and easy to live with. After focusing on car detailing with this, I switched to something more industrial and metal-built feeling, expecting stronger wall mounting options for garage-wide messes later on soon. Product number 4: Stanley Wall-Mounted Wet-Dry Vacuum. When I lifted the Stanley off the box, the stainless steel tank immediately stood out. It feels tougher than plastic and handles bumps without worry. Mounted on the wall, it stayed secure and didn't shake during use. In real cleaning, the suction handled heavy debris and wet messes without slowing down. I like the balance between power and portability since it pops off the bracket easily. The hose length let me reach laundry corners and garage floors without moving outlets. Attachments covered most jobs, from floors to tight gaps. It's louder than smaller units, but that's expected with this power. If you want a no-nonsense wall-mounted vacuum that feels durable and versatile, this one fits. After using something this robust, I finished testing with a familiar brand many people already trust, especially for long-term garage reliability and parts availability over time, which matters more than people expect initially, sometimes later. Product number 5: Shop Vac Wall Mount Wet Dry Vacuum. When I mounted the shop vac, it felt instantly familiar if you've used shop vacs before. The build is compact but solid, and the handle makes it easy to pull down when needed. In use, the suction handled dust, wood chips, and wet spills without hesitation. I like the retractable hose because it kept the wall clean and clutter-free. The reach was enough to clean the car and most of the garage without moving the unit. Accessories covered basics well, and storage stayed organized on the wall. It's not the quietest, but it's consistent and reliable. This is a great option if you want a trusted brand with strong performance and easy storage. After testing everything, this felt like a safe, dependable choice for most garages that need flexible, wall-mounted cleaning power day after day, especially for mixed messes and busy households with cars, tools, and projects happening often nearby daily. All of these wall-mounted garage vacuums handled real messes, just in different ways. Think about space, noise, and what you clean most. I've linked each option below so you can check current prices and details. Pick what fits your garage and actually gets used.